Good morning, students. It is your second lecture from Air and Atmosphere. In first lecture, we have discussed about oxygen and nitrogen. So in this lecture, we will discuss about few more gases and their uses. So first, let's see composition of air. Already we have discussed about the composition of air. What is the composition? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, noble gases and water vapor. And what are the percentage of these gases? Already we have discussed in previous lecture. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and some other gases. It also contains dust particle. So here, air is a mixture, not compound. Already we have discussed mixture and compound. And in previous lecture, also I said that air is a mixture, not compound, because all air are present in atmosphere as a mixture. They do not react chemically. Whenever they will react chemically, form compound. So keep it in your mind, air is a mixture, not compound. How? Just prove it. Air is a mixture, not compound, because of following reason. Air can be separated into constituents such as oxygen, nitrogen, etc. by fractional distillation of liquid air. And what is a fractional distillation? Removing two and more miscible liquid at different boiling point. Already we have discussed distillation and fractional distillation. So we can separate these individual air by the fractional distillation, it indicating that air is a mixture. Air show the properties of all gases present in it. For example, air support combustion. Why? Because of oxygen present in air. Air is a mixture of various gases, dust particles and water vapor, which do not react chemically and we are not present in fixed composition by mass. Yes, my dear student, and they are not present in fixed composition by mass because they are mixture. In compound, all elements are present by their fixed proportion, but in the case of mixture, they can present in any amount. Importance of air. Sustain life and growth. Yes, my dear student, without air, air means which gases? Oxygen is not possible. Life and growth. Combustion. Yes, burning of any firewood is not possible without oxygen. Maintaining temperature. Yes, my dear student, air also play a very important role for maintaining the temperature of atmosphere. Supplier of oxygen. Supplier of energy. Photosynthesis. Sustain life and growth. How? Oxygen present in the air is one of the main life sustaining gases. All living things breathe in and breathe out the air in the form of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen and carbon dioxide are the vital for plants and their growth. Yes, my dear students, carbon dioxide and nitrogen is a very important for the growth of plant and the formation of protein in their bodies. You can see how plant growing step by step. Also in the case of insect, you can see how it is growing. Combustion. Another use of air is that it supports burning or combustion. The oxygen present in air help in the burning of fuel, lead to carry out activity like cooking, food, running industries and vehicle, as well as generating heat and electricity. Yes, my dear students, due to presence of oxygen, these things are happening. Temperature control. Temperature control. Air help in maintaining the temperature on the earth surface by circulating hot and cooler air. Yes, my dear student, already you have discussed in lower classes, land bridge and sea bridge. So because of circulating hot and cool air, temperature of earth is controlled. Air act as a conductor of heat. The phenomenon of water cycle are also depends on air. Yes, my dear student, water cycle means raining. When it will happen, it also depend upon the rate of air blowing, means wind. Supplier of energy. Air, which consists of energy, is one of the main supplier of energy. Living things are made up of cell. This cell extract oxygen within the blood to produce energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And already we have discussed in the case of assimilation, because in nutrition there are five processes: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and fourth one is that assimilation. And during the assimilation, oxygen react with digested food, means glucose, producing energy. So ATP is produced in the case of energy currency. Its name is that adenosine triphosphate. Clear? Which is biochemical in nature, is essential for maintaining the life on the earth. Next, experiment to show air contain carbon dioxide. Yes, my dear students, already we have discussing air is a mixture, not compound. So air contain carbon dioxide. How can you prove it? So let's see an experiment. Here I have taken in one test tube. There are two test tube. One test tube is filled with the lime water, and in that lime water, when we pass carbon dioxide gases, that carbon dioxide gas react with lime water. What is the formula of lime water? CaO react with CO2. Apart from CaCO3, calcium carbonate. You can see one oxygen and two oxygen react with both. What is formed? CO2 plus O, CO3 and Ca, means it is a calcium carbonate. So means when lime water we will take in test tube 1, and when you will pass carbon dioxide gas through it, it will react with it and it turn into milky white. It turn into milky white. Why it turn into milky white? Because of formation of calcium carbonate. And that formation of calcium carbonate is indicating that what is present? Indicating that carbon dioxide is present in air. Photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, which is also component of air, is used by plant during process of photosynthesis, and oxygen water vapor is released by plant as a byproduct. Yes, my dear student, already we know that. We have discussed also what is a photosynthesis. Plant take carbon dioxide from the air, water and minerals from the soil, and in the presence of sunlight, by trapping sunlight with the help of with the help of chlorophyll, that the green pigment which are present in the leaf, which trap the sun energy and make food, and that process is called photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is slightly toxic, odorless, colorless gases with the slightly pungent acidic taste. Carbon dioxide is a small but important constituent of air. Yes, my dear student, it is a toxic, it is a pungent smell, it is an acidic taste, but it is also very important on the earth in atmosphere. It is necessary raw material for most plant life, which remove carbon dioxide from air using the process of photosynthesis. Yes, my dear student, during the photosynthesis, plant takes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide will not burn or support. Yes, that's why carbon dioxide is used as a fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide gas is used in extinguishing the fire because it does not burn and does not help in burning, and it is used in making soft drink. The mineral water and rapid vaporization of liquid carbon dioxide is used for blasting in coal mining. Yes, my dear students, you can see rapid vaporization of liquid carbon dioxide. Rapid vaporization here. Rapid vaporization means liquid carbon dioxide is suddenly heated. You can see very clearly is used for blasting the coal mining. Next, now we'll discuss about inert gases. What is the inert gases? Already we have discussed that is a noble elements. It does not react with any other elements because they are very stable. Their outer shell are completely filled. These elements are highly stable and don't react with other elements. Already we have discussed about these noble gases. First we will talk about helium. Helium is used for treatment of asthma and other breathing problem. Helium is used in balloon. You can see balloons are floating in air. Why? Because of helium is filled. Even acetylene gas is also used. Helium is used in industries for presenting explosion. Neon. Next one, we used to use neon in television tube. Yes, my dear student, television tube is a vacuum which is filled with the neon gases. Neon is used in laser light. Neon is used in wave meter tube. Neon is used in part of aircraft. These are the use of helium and neon. Again, argon. Argon is used to create inert atmosphere. It is used in light bulb to prevent from them corrosion. Yes, my dear student, all electric bulbs they are filled with the argon gases. It is used in tire of luxury car to protect tire and reduce noise on the road. Yes, my dear student, luxury car means very costly car. Their tire is filled with the argon gases. It is used in tire. It is a very clear. It is used in 3D printing. 3D printing nowadays it's a very good printing machines are there. You can see the how 3D printings are looking like. So that is argon is used for making 3D picture. Krypton. It is used in tube of fluorescent light. Yes, tube light, which is filled with the krypton gases. It is also used in signboard. Why it is used in signboard? Because signboard are giving very bright light, red, green, blue, and that light is produced due to presence of which gas? Krypton gas. So this is very clear. You can see in picture how lights are generating here. So today we have discussed this much topic And from next topic we'll discuss about air pollution, prevention of air pollution. So thank you and have a nice day.